Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to explain the uh, second experiment of conversational AI, that is implementation of lexical analysis. Mm, I'll be explaining the Python program that perform customer tokenization using the RE module or regular expression library. This tokenization can identify URLs, emails, hashtags, mentions, constructions, and words. Okay, let me explain the code. The first line, we start by importing Python build in RE module, which allow us to work with a regular expression useful to pattern matching in strings. And this part that define the function called customer underscore tokenization that takes a text input and split it into tokens, which are meaningfully words or like symbols. And the next one is pattern the definitions. Inside the function we define several regex pattern. This pattern matches URL, for example http example .com. And the next one is like email pattern. This one detect email address, and a hashtag pattern. It find the hashtags, and capture mention underscore pattern. This capture mentions such as like in the at basil like that. Construction pattern, this matches constructions words with the apostrophes like don't or likes. uh, and word pattern, simplify matching normal words. uh, Combining all patterns, here we merge all the patterns together using OR operations. So the program can detect any of the one and go. uh, uh, and uh, and tokens. This part is the function that use re.findAll of to extract all matches from the input text and the return them as all list of tokens. And uh, yeah, then this part sample text, we use the text our tokenization. Okay. uh, Then the coding function, we call the tokenization function and store all the identified tokens in the list called tokens. We call it all the list by the name tokens. Then the printing tokens. This print each token one by one along with its index, make it easier to read. Like then counting token types. We calculate how many of each tokens type were found. Each line here filter tokens by their starting symbols or specific character. Then this URL like summarize show how many URL emails hashtags and so on were found in the text. And this is the output we got. Identified tokens, hello world, I am, and the email URLs, etc. This is the output we got. And okay, the second one also start with RE module, which let us work in regular expression in Python. That's the pattern used to define specific text format. Here we define the function name number underscore date underscore tokenization, which takes a text input and extract date and numbers from it. And Then we create a dictionary of regex pattern for date and times. Uh, Times each pattern uses slash b for word boundaries and numeric range to ensure accuracy. Accuracy. Then number pattern section. Here we define another dictionary for number format, currency, percentage, decimals, integers, etc. Then extracting matches. Uh, this loop goes through each date pattern, appears into the text using re.final all of and store all matches in the dates dictionary. For the numbers here, does the same for all number pattern and store them in numbers. Okay, returning the result, like finally the function returns the dictionary containing both the dates and numbers found in the text and the sample input text. This is a sample text that includes dates, time, currency, and percentage. Uh, that's perfect for text or tokenization. Then calling function. Okay, we pass our text to the function and store the result in the variable called result. Then displaying data here. Print heading dates found and print your ID, probably your like student roll number. Loop through each date type and print all matches neatly. And uh, okay, then displaying numbers. This print all the numbers viewed by their types such as currency, percentage, decimals, and integers. And uh, when you run this code, you will get the output like this, showing the dates, time, numbers found, percentage, decimals, integers, etc. Okay, the next one, showing the creating the symbol like importing importing the regular expression module, uh, then define the function. Here the define the function called analyze underscore sentiment that takes a single input parameter text. This text is a sentence or paragraph we want to analyze, create word pattern. We define two register pattern, positive words and the negative words. Positive words contain positive emotional words and the negative one is negative emotional words. These act as symbol dictionaries for our sentiment detection. Then initializing sentiment score, we set the initial score to 0. Each positive word increase the score and each negative word decrease it. Then finding positive matches. uh, when Positive matches. Okay, positive match. Here we use find all to search for all positive words in the text. Flag in our case ensure it matches words regardless of uppercase or lowercase. We then add the number of positive words found in the sentiment score. Then finding negative matches. Similarly, the path find all negative words and subtract their count from the score. Then determining sentiments. After calculating score, if it's greater than 0, uh, the overall feeling is positive. If the less than 0, the feeling is negative. If it's equal to 0, it means they are balanced or no clean emotion. So it's neutral. then return the result. We return all the important details in the dictionary, the original text, the list of positive and negative words found, the final sentimental category, and the sentimental score. Then the testing and function, testing our function with a few examples in sentence, positive sentence and the negative sentence, uh, and the sentence, then neutral sentence, like no strong emotion words. Uh, the score will be zero, make it neutral, and this is the output we got, and then the how so that how we can build a simple simple things, and the final function definition. One is the function definition, and we find a function called multi-legal underscore organization that takes one parameter underscore text. This function will split the text into tokens, which means smaller part like words or punctuation marks, and the regular expression pattern. Here comes the most important part, the rich pattern. Let's break it down like slash w plus matches the sequence of words, character, letter, and numbers. Then apostrophes like I am or dot, act like etc. This condition ensure that we capture words and punctuations from any languages supported by Unicode. Uh, then using array dot find all of, here we use array dot finding of all from Python array a regular expression module. The flags equal to array dot unicode ensure that the organization recognize non-English characters such as this Chinese, like I give some Chinese word here, okay, and this result is the list of tokens, and printing the token, this simply print the list of tokens found in the text. If you want to process or analyze them further, you could also loop through each token. By here, we can just print them for demonstration as the output. Uh, the output we got. Okay, that's it. Thank you.